Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.